Hold me slowly. Nobody knows me like you know me. Hold me.
He don't want me giving it up to nobody.
Slowly.
Hey guys, so today we'll be getting a wig installed by Glamorous Hair Boutique. You can find them out on Instagram. Here's the name on the screen, and you can also get the link in the description box. We'll be getting a wig installed. This wig is from OCGK Hair, and honestly I just love it, and I even love her place even more. Like the white and the gold is just hitting. Not only does she install wigs, but she also sells them, so you have colored wigs, black wigs, and the products to help you slay them. This wig came from OCGK Hair. It came in this purple pouch, as well as a wig cap, a headband, and also a baby hair brush. And of course, I must say the packaging was cute. The hair came in a good shape. The lace was in a good shape. You know, we don't like laces coming in a bad shape, and we love some hair that smells good upon arrival. And honestly, I am not disappointed. This hair is soft, is lightweight. I honestly think that this is a great buy. It doesn't shed much, and it doesn't tangle much neither. It is their 22-inch human hair 13x4 HD transparent straight lace frontal wig. I bought it off of Amazon. In the description you can find the link to this hair. In this clip, the wig was freshly washed. The lace was also cleaned.
You don't deserve it. I'm just being honest. You haven't earned this. Loving you goes in circles round and round. Loving you goes in circles, lost and found. Loving you goes in circles round and round. Loving you goes in circles, lost and found. Hold me slowly. Nobody knows me like you know me. Hold me slowly. Nobody knows me like you know me. Never baby. Oh, not hold you to the right. Touch me like you never did me. Oh, not hold you to the right. Ain't even worth it. No, you don't deserve it. I'm just being honest. You haven't earned it. Ain't even worth it. You don't deserve it. I'm just being honest. You haven't earned this. Loving you goes in circles round and round. Loving you goes in circles, lost and found. Loving you goes in circles round and round. Loving you goes in circles, lost and found. Figure it out. Late in the morning. 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 Ain't even worth it. No, you don't deserve it. I'm just being honest. You haven't earned it. Ain't even worth it. You don't deserve it. I'm just being honest. You haven't earned this. Loving you goes in circles round and round. Loving you goes in circles, lost and found. Loving you goes in circles round and round. Loving you goes in circles, lost and found. Hold me slowly. Nobody knows me like you know me. Hold me slowly. Nobody knows me like you know me. Never baby. Oh, not hold you to the right. Touch me like you never did me. Oh, not hold you to the right. Ain't even worth it.
Trim your ends so they can look more fresh and healthy, okay?
No problem.
I'm just being honest. You haven't earned this. Loving you goes in circles round and